now in summer sebie son sebie nyado aba e wo Ghana mem ha e na ye bidi ho komo sebie son kurem e wo mahye bedwafia e yade nyina speaker of parliament e yera bamba be no wakasa na ne sema odi tudwa no e na no pe memwo hu ye bidi ho komo wabra abedwafo abesinkonwa na chese anaso ma bedwa na yatena se na ya bobo ho na fe no latter part of the show ni ama won so kwan ama wabo ewrem na wafre ye wodo adwen che ediapa. You can also go on our Facebook page, of course, we'll comment, review bibiano what they fa ha ebe kenkan ediama. We're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Some Darkos Initiative, Some Darkos TV, so you should me live into the and say, obe subscribe to your channel, obe like your page, and obe comment, obe share, now for fun, so any be a shame. Mide Eddie Diana, Eduhene, Jemfi, Quatsona Kusia. Wow, young fast the PC, Emma Boafwa, Abribiano, one Jibre, Edio Musica, Esoyasne, Emma Edijumeti, Ebro, as a piece in Koma, Odi for for bar something kwekwe papa say we this bia na adwene mokano o ni no ma basa e mobro wanya kakrafo ye nyina yes no enti papa say ye ntutumrika na ye ma japekrom ni bepie mo ho a odi na duro beka ye ma yaresa etimi aye dia enti me so bronya bosumi enoma mu aye basa edia mawa wodi ani so betutumrika na wakopie me ewo japekrom ukopie mu kwa ewo ho a papa say odidia obema obi onoma obema obi osa obema obi ama wonso no eni je wi peyo ede amane number ene that screen no so no fa na ona no twetwe nkomo misrawa de ho na be hu say you adoma chede no bo ade ndi a chenkofo bebre na ne de e super extraordinary, so call him now. As it is to me no enkoma Dorifa Vigo Plus. Dorifa Vigo Plus. Edrubi number bodiana mitimi emite. Edrubi number bodiana eyemete. If you say edruno a super, a wonderful, a extraordinary. Edru we me say send namu ya de etiti wonkwa de enumedrubia. Dorifa Vigo Plus. One on ma so yo ba ahimfi won sesan aba ho e hockey count sebie son sebie nyato e ya na pampan bi efiri ho ba no enye nika abra no do fo bi shetum se ya na dede no toso obi ho no enu ma efiri ho ba no I say condense so fit bi efiri ho e ba enye nika me power chow ma won san ka Dorifa Vigo Plus na no mame e bi di wa kagine mu e beboa wo e ho beti e be ye wisi ama odofo ani age saso ena bemen na me pamacho mbe kama asema na me de mensa eto mensa ye mapamocho if you say ye tutu a e ya na twere na muni wa emema yema yeni ho ti mesewanda mi kura hwe me anopei me mpra hwe me anopei me papa hwe me anopei me nua bema me sew se insu tutu fu bema mu na eba wojo nso mu pai ba ko mienu miensa ebi nam ha ma won sanka Dorifa Vigo Plus na me no mame bema na insanketenkete abo japade no ho anase age hu nyina afa aye prokesen da bia de o kan se na bombs that sebi wono makosku kakra no se ya mesro no nom Dorifa Vigo Plus na ekuru nketenkete insanketenkete ni nyina efi ho ro supporter na hockey cow wuju ho gridi nom Dorifa Vigo Plus Mr. Dorifa Vigo Plus wono no mbia akika ni nyina be free ho inso ne free bema no mba nyina no e be free ho ame ho aya kono na aye ma so tutatai na oba e ya hemfie ho a o so ahemfie no enti oba a ono so pie ho a nani atimi age pasha wataste Dorifa phone number and that screen so no fa nani omotwetwe nkomo wonu se bia wo bia no se sefata se wo so mba no be delivery mawa omba be ne sa ede ama ene technology ntino wo fie na phone na kre me pe we o ye be delivery ama akono aduma komienu we na no pay wonu maje bread o musika asomasne ma ye di Koowaa morning show yi bro make us to be live on Facebook Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube Koowaa TV Some Darkos Initiative Some Darkos TV and so no yeah live and to subscribe to your channel na like your page and comment and share na afofon so enye bi She anopay ansa na me motivation ebe ma ono me se nkoma ye bedi na anopay yade nyina speaker of parliament yera bamba be na babonten de oka nyina ene se or predict say the office of OSP very very useless. Na denti na my papa bamba ben can sasem we abedwafo bet na se maybe sa wo mo na de nkomo twetwe no ahye so sanso ena minority in parliament almost the one petition or more every BOG for said that and our on office send a modern petition of resignation letter ebema woman and then so no a big for sabbath nasia ye be bubu ye be beside a DNT and a minority for a case said that and on office normally a resignation letter at the ama woman well. All of this, you are also part of it. And to also synchronia and cast my brain PP, my brain DC, and I Ghana, Senate, and Siminum community, and I say, so we do community, winning community, with him. So when you say, so cook and free Ghana, and what's number on Eddie Ghana, we are there, we are Ghana, walk home. Eya woka ho anyeya woka ho enti wo se wudin komone bi patcho what ya say otu abaw ana wo bofu se obetu wuntu me patcho wutim enti wo se wudi bi ekosisi kuro no betisa kokro mosi power wo de ba ko wo de no so otu a 4 years so enti e kasa mabre what ya say. It's a lot of things we hear from people. We are tired of MPP, we are tired of NDC, we are not going to talk again, blah 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 blah. Mr. Don't stop talking. Obanya was so children so na so kasa kusida or besisa. And motivational medema is as simple as ABC. The PBB yo. What I say, young cophobia or mum PBB yo. Or so no pa osiho. The one it's in na send bribe which is oba befanako. Necessary be so oba befanako. Ne papa bi abrocho me de oba be mbaba befama ko abrochi me de me ye den kra US na meko land na meko obe se akanfo exact me ka German na meko papa sister bra bibi o na obusuafo no mgba abrocho bra sister wan ke o ma me na wodi na ni ato no so no sabi ebi ono so wo so den bosme so no pay £100 bi bra wa na oti ayi kondo enyamre sa ti mesel se pe bibi yo afi mu nyina wat na wo saa ana nkrofo koja ope bibi kra na wo ya o so no so ye bibi a o so manfa kakra we nko support ne ko sida me ba be fa no na ade ya ne so si ho ana area ho efe bi parliament house ana o si ho anopa no ko si ho ewie na o si ho obro no so si ho oba mpe bibi nye ana na bachire obi dum fo bi kra na obedo musika kakra na ade akotra iphone ne kra ukodu ba bia obi washroom bi a ahwehwe bi bo ha no ada na echi no I snap no bi on say we got 3 cameras no ye mo brasa pe bibi yo akota iphone 6,000 7,000 8,000 10,000 e crop ka 10,000 crop no di fa bibi na ka wo tonton a ka benya ho faso ana me boa no cry iphone na ye den na be hypo hwe phone crowd ebi so kura na sebi odie ono ma me busen na da one room wade asa na bo ma me tra na wakoda ana okra 3 cameras ana de flexi me pa cho afini beko na wiye sesi gina bi ma ho se na me ya doma efi 1st January 2024 me pe bibi ayo enye sa wa fefo nyina beko ajaw ama ho ya ebeto so wo se nkrofo a hyepe ya we de ena ehu konfa so ena se ena nwanyan wa frem ana ko frem so nya du ho ana sika do nkwa na ho oba de nya kopon ka ho se wonfo woni nto bias ne mum kakra bi kra no pe bribi yo what you say enkrofo so ahomache a ye ko ha ne aba ha ne yetonto no maka ho hu o mo hyepe anu ani abre ono kwa no mami enkosi da ben e pa chowati pe bribi yo mesede pe bribi yo wo so a wo hyedem obi etwama na obi ompoma kakra na ahwe no efi a wutim nkrofo nkonwuma na tetempo na ahwe omo eno omo hyewei eno omo yese wadwuma no adwuma wo ho wote mesede adwuma wo ho sorry fi dem ho na so kope bibi yo na wo kwa obi nso ahwe wakase wa ya de yo ne de ko wote ase wote wa ne se wote kwa brane na usiwa ne se usiwa na mpe bibi nye oba de nyankopon ni hrawo na onya wakoma so ade ma o se anope wo ma me ho nye washi nemum no de ma ka kire no obe home so kese pa na odi aye odi abobra what I say nyame shaw wow and anope with the motivation ama we are my question for the day maybe sao ye nyina badwendwe no a me ka kire se de na na tete e wo potem o frame me ye dwendwe ho and now no pay de maybe sao no say oba ne bema si esisu si ekoware a yebetimi aware oba a wanyini se yen ana bema wanyini sene yen ana say wo se fire size ana say age doesn't matter okoware oba ne che oba 5 years 6 years 7 years e fa ho odo ne hia ana say sawade we no ya na ntanyira ana say odo ne hina age doesn't matter age die a number mpacho otase ana say mfa ho bituma wa rubia so ya kokro o ya bruwo wonyini simbo wonyini sinwo wodo no ana say e matapa o so fa size so fa de o chen bibiri na yeso ya na ye pe o mo chen bibiri no so MCR4 and family line no into screen so na frame na ye dwendwen ho mienu minim sa afie besimi nipa bebra plan so mbe ware na so omoge oso mko ware omo na nyini se no omo afie no so mema no so nyini dodo enti oba no dwen ho papa de nka me pere so nyini dodo minim ge obi be ma bi pen papa ne peno papa ne shano na so de o ka ne se papa so kura nyini dodo eno e fa ho ana e fa ho doesn't matter and I love no ena ehia give me a call 0202668461 o frame ya na woti uni eye wo television no akofom na woti me ewo o phone so se na be ya obetime nka clearly frame na yenko okwaware a emfa ho age ne de emfa ho odo no wo ho a eno a ena ehia ana se debi age no so e mata pa 20 minutes after 6 a.m. Of course, we are live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some darkos initiative, some darkos TV, so yeah, live and 0202 6684 61, yeah, 0202 6684 61. Yes. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. 020 0202 668461 0202 668461. Of course, for me na yenko yenim 22 minutes after 6 a.m. For me na yenko okoware a be ma na yinistiwa emfa ho obana yinistiwa emfa ho odono ena ehia ana se age no emata pa age ne de emata wontimi nkoware oba yinistiwa bibiri wa bra very young be no be no ko no be 45 years or chen be 15 years be 10 years efa ho ana emfa ho odono ena ehia eno ena maybe so 22 minutes after 6 a.m. for me na yenko yenim be live on Facebook. Hello, good morning.
The age is normal.
Okay.
Age is normal. Not to assess the transmission. Mama, only to go to the or respecting totally. If you say, and that is how everything is in the method they need to do. They really able to have and that is how and that's what the government. Everything is make echo. You know, in charge of the bubble. Yes. You know, if you are, I don't know what Koowaa. Not the better time for the world. No, I will go take into 40.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Madison.
Asipi also bet me afreme. Freme na yenko. Oko are oba na nyisun bebra emfa ho. Be me na nyisun bebra emfa ho. Age is just a number. And now say matapa. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Me ba choma Mr. Kakra udin baby a wo frame free yanko.
Free ending, morning. What is saying?
Comment here yanko.
You, I'm passing. Obani so class 5. Then, young fa will be a body of our unity. A big travel. I do a man who now class. Oh, Bob Gabon, Bob ẹ̀tí ọba ní sọ abẹ́kyerẹ́ wájú ẹ̀bẹ̀ máa ń bẹ́ sí ntí sẹ́yìn yìí ní kura ọba ní yìí ní kura yẹ.
Okay. Mera se wo so wani nkyerɛ ɛno no wo so betimi afrɛ me 0202 668461. Give me a call 25 minutes after 6 a.m. Okoware a age is just a number, and so you know any sin be and fahu and I bet on so any sin be bra and fahu and I say if I home pa. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Prophet yeti one up what to say.
But we are proud and going to now to say
me jomo so
Manda, the America is 15 20 days because you could be in the form structure and the counter. Because sometimes we are not our feeling positive and
okay.
Yeah, because you can do and then you can do international. Yeah, and if you make it in the mama positive but 15, 10, 20 years ago. Yeah, into anywhere. And fine.
Alright.
But there's nothing in a park.
Yamisha once you beat me on for 26 minutes after 6 a.m. Frame na yonko yenim anope okoware oba emfa ho age dey say a number into oba ne chen 10 years 15 years cry emfa ho be man ne chen 10 years 20 years cry and so emfa ho odono na ehia ana say e mata pa frame na yonko. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, Jamila is so good in Chaminai on call.
No, there's a bad thing that I require.
Mpacho yinti wano pay.
Is just a number.
Pacha man so Roma. Okay, or see age is just a number and you know young anime. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay. I will call on the line 0202 668461. Frame na yonko yenim. Mami fa be last two calls na fi me the curtains down on the phone in.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Pacho dini baby I'll frame me free.
Pacho Mujindi Canon John Pacho Central Yes.
Okay.
Pacho Muga matter because no at the same time. The other hand I have one problem there.
Okay. Alright. Thank you so very much. Meba, you will sing Konya Beja Fire Crowd on the Okomo channel. So stay with us, we'll be back after the break.
Me Miss Bayario, Timaya Majusami Quadraston, and Macopedra. Oh, how to make our food the real public class amount. Sergio Wonoma, a boost to new system. Make sure I come with Janoshi, the come serious one. Put your young getting kitty be a fully pediatric. Sarah, no complain, saying, Hunam Najaneja. Now, a man of the real public class, no, a boost to the immune system. Make sure I say a can in Mujanoshi. I'm a name who edge not brand. Hey, sir, the real public class, and you follow me, I do it. Who called you to Jobia? Where the real public class is. The real Favigo Plus. It's our heart capsules.
It's a yada, the catcher will say, so, now who's a woman to, and now what will you ayumra? Not a trace of new system and Wayne. A bonus are only a group to say, the real Favigo Plus. Now, it's new new system, which has a better Mujano she. Let me tell you, real crown could be ara. I will be baby. A million fee. So, so you be kind of Frederick, won't mean who can you Asia. Oba. I say we use panty liner. Now what to me do the new and no ma ever snack. We never can you say, but soon back walking to and not from. It is a way to hear what PBB at the above by.
The Reefer Vigo Plus, and Yama appeal for any Abofawina and Fedumino.
I need you some new Odi4 Bakupa, a radia yina maya, remember Odi4 Samson Kwakuyaboa. Dodo na friend no, a VM Foba, Papa Yam Paibo Kiada. Now, why yet Sunsumunuman so if yada, Nani Quesia dance so no, what they are sorry to church a piece Ramaye. Kona Kosha Odi4 Samson Kwakuyaboa, Centranedia, 1 year, Japekrum, and Pochera Bay Nadaoso, Conso Bay no Bonsapia to Yina, baby, ama hotaba, dear wapa warrior, dear wapa quentu, into Tumerika and copium, and would drop Japekrum, Papa sign Eshania, one be a yanka, Papa Shawon Nina, Jim of Frey, Esha won't cause will be free, Nenasi Ako, dear Dajina and Sokodana. Now what you are Siafanina, and Hotoma, went to Tumerika, me and copium, and would drop Japekrum, Fre Odi4, and would 0243 356583. Odi4 Samson Kwakuyaboa, or see a VM for back.
You try more about live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Sam Darko's initiative, Sam Darko's TV, and so yeah, live and also subscribe to your channel now one like your page and one comment and one share now a full so any be a share baby I will be on your comments are so much welcome via our comment section on Facebook Rebecca what if I SMS and so and also no you baking canning in our Edia Mawa and pay a bigger for I crado miranom or moho IFA or matnas fe. Oh my God, they are time conscious. In fact, in Nakasano, mebo ma baso one more time no one more in Jackro. Mira Daniel Tiku, head of welfare MPP communication team member. I didn't general cover. What to say? I'm here to be able to go Papa Sanso and I also girlfriend of Papa and my dear. And also so NDC communication team member. Middle Boko. If you work all.
I think it's a Koowaa TV so no. I think it's more copa.
Modaroma ended I want to suffer from Nakamamba and Kayintime Uncle. It was some Ghana. Yes, you know, I was say some na yes some ye. Well, straight away, Yabanedi, Nayaba, Yabura, and Simnuma, not meaning say what to say, Irabambabi Nakasa. Na the okay na say or predict here say a OSP office no very useless na me the be free was so my darling NDC man red look at the time 10 minutes
yeah kunya to say it His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in Saka 359 days. And we also privileged the brother of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Mr. Peter Mahama. monitor program. Godfather, baby, I will be a Michelle. Namaba Ashanti region, Machiam boss, lawyer Abbas Nudin, and any deputy Amokamel, Yacha regional chairman. And I'm some two constituency. There's some two constituency, Lady Diane. One says you see your position. Into be able to know what Denny Sika. Then now from my bedboard party. You know, when I say to say a dana say, and I could shading cry. Honorable Ibrahim Asante Boadu, Leicester UK chairman, NDC, or say CEO for Hanad Foundation. Namachia Miankasa, a chairman, constituency, Yabema.
Okay.
Namachia Dache, and Dr. Setankra. Now, we share Babu and Semia, Wabeka for OSP. I think say in any Bagben his long service in Parliament. And one thing I may meet me a car, and then they say we all made it known to the good people of this country. Say office of the special prosecutor, no, ain't me be anything magic because your honor. Martin Amidu, the former officer of the special prosecutor, Rebecca say, President Akufo-Addo is the mother of corruption, mother serpent of corruption.
Sure.
That is what he made. And say, Rebecca, you know, MPP full trouble, and he was making emphasis as this year Akusi Japan is making. Say your man a quine and money who I trust will play to fight against corruption. I am. And if the investments are into the special prosecutor office now, I mean it can also build schools in the basic level or help us improve our health infrastructure.
Okay. But
we've invested in that sector. And career per resource a few and Bible making it very clear say per the constitution we share attorney general any office of the special prosecutor now office of the special prosecutor say attorney general na say so in any case to prosecute anybody no intimate
okay
he must what first see say the attorney general gives him or her the approval answer our head or the other and we share to say that there recently he made a press interview and a press conference so ono waya ankwanoma
waya ankwanama na say waya ankwanoma
ankunanoma eneza ne kan ankunam yeah waya ankunam
yeah
oye bi obetimi
okay
me meso ana me yede na me ko and you know o make it this way you see it touches some of us our heart and you say no this government's initiatives and how they have decided to do corruption fight they cannot solve it and you see this same
who can fight corruption looking at all this president that has really come in and gone now why now beating me solve the corruption it's been there yeah no happens
say the cannot yet means so winning but we can reduce it
okay
so what you say we share Vikiama so okay about making an allegation then time led person
yeah
so paid no 1 million he was being what sacked okay abuga pili ebra sa didane sada semu bai mampeni nana John Dramani Mahama and they didn't call court by under this government okay married deal NDC we had an agreement within 5 years nature say Ghana you $302 million until within 5 years na there about we buy omoye omadwene say omoye negotiation after this deal they extended the deal to 15 years a whooping of 1.1 billion Ghana cedis 1.1 billion US dollars and I know we penny room but till now the president have become mute. Yet to 2017 na Kennedy Baker say the office of the presidency obi person ko share investor obi person share Mampeni Akufo-Addo this will try $20,000.
Yeah, you think it was true?
Oh, let's say David, CEO of Alafia Food. What about the Kasa? Also, he mentioned Asensu Boachi's name. Maybe Bessin who's Asensu Boachi about being one. So, in terms of fighting corruption, this government has failed. But CC and said and I got 359 days to election 2024. Ghana full made the ONDC by yes, I know the Entuma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Number so katasese ase. At least on to me plan you go on obetiaba from Amagana fan to my perfect. That's it.
Alright. Mira.
Dan metia eti for the for. Na magase Dan we are popular on most of your platforms so far.
Thank you so much.
And people are really appreciating the good work you are doing.
Thank you.
Na yekoye ni muno ebekoso na yachia Ghana for na yasre mu se ame aduma next year.
Okay.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and MPP you know say 2024 ye ni begina akono. Gidi ye say ni chidoma obod na do dan ko Akufo-Addo. E kire say ame adum na edinu ko gina simpie so a obi na the double portion of the anointing na won na do dan ko Akufo-Addo. So eno na be boa ama wasete on the agenda to digitalize our economy to make sure say the be cashless now boy me the needed revenue to build our country to the next level. And I believe say Ghana for ready. Say yen mo mo no be ka kire say bibia mo yo abuchiri bia aban nyato e na ma abuchiri aya abuchiri se di nim no nti bebi obi bia wo bia no e be chia no na yakoso na MPP phone kran say ato ankofo na montene no mo ya komo mo tirimpo MPP remains the best party e be Ghana. Now you ba speaker and some more kind so no. Okay. I think say na adventure because in some be our can rehashing of some of the things that Kofobi can in the past. Say the couple the Minister for Justice no from the Attorney General. It be so cause the Attorney General position about conflict with the work of OSP no. I think the OSP himself Kisi Jabe interview no expressing the concerns about the powers now and how in the future is likely to conflict with the Attorney General's own. Okay. But notwithstanding, the history behind OSP creation. Bigidi say ebra ye binya OSP creation na Ghana hanu. Ye ni suade hu na yes ma ye kan bi ni say unya political appointee a wo ye aban ni a na edin say ne nua no ma mo no nyina tra cabinet anazo mo tra ban ministers o no nyina ye adwuma ba ko no ebe edin say bo prosecute sa afo. Okay. In case or suspicion na Ghana for suspicion bi say e bi asankofo no e di dream anaze katarishe bi ebo mo ho a ebetimi prosecute am and ma Ghana for years through the media yes engagements no push aban yes no enya OSP onya creation of government anaze in fact onya aban ni and appointed by the government or the allegiance is towards the government obetimi prosecute government appointees abema corruption abafom because we believe say corruption is mass murder. Say you cause corruption it's say unku ba aku nipa nyina because we be see hospital corruption can make the hospital store. You say baba ya kwan corruption bit ma kwan e ntimi nye am be die wuo say kurum so nti ya de hia pa say we no obi a the tenure of office no nye tied to the government that appointed that particular person. Sa abema sa katashishe ni sa corruption na bafo ndiye OSP ya OSC and then OSP another special prosecutor and then all prosecute a minister of state. What is it? Mass leader pa say you me sure say na Attorney General Okuruma. Did you see an Attorney General start the prosecution of mass leader pa? Or we had an OSP who has started this prosecution ama Mami, I resign.
But we've not heard anything.
No, they don't say. No, we are in court.
Starting BBN.
No, we're starting BB, and they all prosecute. Say you rule of law. Okay. It won't even tell me be said in Fanonko to jail. A suspicion. So Ghana for Yakubu betu ye ma. This is not court. A hormona OSB for a minister of state they show say being see that say minister or hold on attorney general be in the life of this fourth republic attorney general be a foreign minister government in power or minister e da ko gina court say en se me ankofo bi aka fa anwa na en se bi ya tia fa anwa nti e do ko gina court am na pushi sa minister na na resign enti aban babe oni ko man na a minister the whole minister of sanitation special prosecutor na ko gina court nti e pushi na na resign and dey odina court all fighting for even the sicker a o better dia na yedie and then accounts nyina your freezing account by an OSP mas the pa na by na power enti manen wo be she the work of the special prosecutor name them to suggestions bia say the workers in the couple the minister of justice for attorney general these are some of the suggestions that we can bring but yet we will be see the position of the OSP and the OSP enjoy the independence from even the government minister say to say that being the baby out to the president and I say me appoint TV say yes typhoon but all the challenges when it comes to the court because they just say been in the court because they be I had a 2 million draw how do you two minutes draw and you know one person the frustration when it comes to what mean for Akayakan it's more than we see something like the OSP that is here to stay that is here eba beboa ama ene obi ya de bia we say ma hwe ya e be frema ko special prosecutor wa me tira nye ya betimanya problem and then hwe ya ba yo kotu yi nipo bibira amugina montine chisika ene OSP invite you ama ene mo ba be kire kwan mo fa so mo esika le yes atin and this for time de na mo montine and it's for time de mo montine MPP for the from co special prosecutor yo Koowaa ana tofi omo MP baako ono de wan just kan wan group mo wo gina ka so wo space kan si scan boss wa ma na aburo so it was different kan ma wo gina V8 so no space kan it is one OSP who say you invite you no matter your political color and this is the conscience of the Ghanaians the OSP is the conscience of Ghanaians and no wo gina on ma wo di ago be fra no do ko gina court ama wo da je I very expensive.
But are you? Is he being allowed to do his work? Because I said, "Yeah, more money crime money in a juma." No. Say, "Yeah, money crime money in a juma." What is like? You know, the position I'm on.
Yes, the view. And you know, crowd be that say the position I'm on. The frustration are all expressing, or expressing with the court. Not with the government. You know the difference.
Fine. The
difference is with the court. The court is not government. We have 3 arms of government.
Okay.
We have the the executive, the judiciary.
We know.
And if you are being frustrated by the court, you fight your case at the court. Not the government.
Frustrate a OSP.
No, the OSP. Sometimes the fact that you are an OSP that doesn't make you a superhuman or somebody over the courts. It's he's a lawyer. He has operated in the law court or experienced lawyer, and therefore will know how the courts operate. And so, if you are clashing with the court, you invoke the jurisdiction of the court, and I say the law that establishes you and the law that gives you the power to do what you are doing. It's only to our court no money in BB said they said they are buying and they're frustrating. It is the court that is having a clash with you, and therefore the government or the executive doesn't have any control over the court. It is a frustration with the court. Always personal. Vehemently, no more be a no go say MPP are buying a creative special prosecutor and the creative problem amana. Say can be a creative problem amana. Me did ye. Say nya be akidoma ye ma miss da pa. Akogina court ama ene. Na accounts mpo be iska e be operative ni bibia wo ya na odo to da ne di mpokura no. Court dey nsa to so because OSP say odi di say accounts ni is tainted by corruption. Enti omo mi entiase say the man go phone come monthly go ka say MPP abano extra for the OSP. We have not done that. Schedule to here the man or the budget aba our cars ahodo ammo cars our body pure any or ni na beto aban ma ban prepare say the beba no. Enti won twem won ye adwuma na de amano won ka de nyina ye de amano won ye adwuma nya de ensa kan to problem with the quarter won sitima aban
na ema wosusu say ama OSP no ekasa bebre
bigidi ye say uni position no ni infantile state who say o position bi aba foforo on the challenges.
Okay.
MPP ye ba ban mu a be appoint a lot of ministers. Ya gbini mu ni ehun say the way MPC sell minor do e be here ni padogo ye dey aye. Ekodu do bi ni mu say there are challenges with some of the ministries because now more resources now we be here money at them. Now they had a problem so we have to combine some of them Now, you make sure say a number that is appreciable a bit my head, and then you have to show the bad number B because we felt say the results that we wanted to get, we are not getting it. Obviously, OSB know initial stages of development, so some of these challenges are bound to come. Very soon, we are sure that when the office is fully resourced, now human capacity is very nice, augmented very well. We are sure that some of these challenges we will not see. But you encouraging the OSP to work. Buying everybody to them, they should work and work hard to make sure that the local court they will get the support of the court to make sure that corruption will be very expensive and they because of OSP and before we be a year and no one first then could be here with impunity no and they won't mean yet we are sure that they yet we are being and be this guy to time with more years and thinking said they will get the vote of the delegates now OSP fair the barbarians here a call the officer or we interrogate him. Make sure say this can mean elections ever be in January. Most are the enemy. People are going to be careful. The OSP is going to be the conscience of the Ghanaian people. Now people are careful about the existence of the OSP. To do maybe a first number for you with impunity, you cannot do it again. And so people should know say yeah, can you the OSP to work and obviously say the kind. Some of the powers of the OSP, or Attorney General. So they should liaise. The OSP should not make himself a repository of knowledge. And as one who so powerful, say he feels the Attorney General cannot do anything. Only he can agree to disagree and work for the interest of Ghanaians. And only here person the politics as usual because the OSP is here to stay and it is here to support the people of Ghana because OSP down bad. There is Attorney General of the Republic of Ghana who will prosecute its government officials. And therefore, OSP number the boy being naive. Something is in Ghana. OSP in one more. Yeah, can water ye. And so you believe in another don't go for the belief. Say corruption has no place in its government. So when you corrupt the OSP should go after you. And that's why we are giving him the leverage to work. Until the OSP will evolve and evolve and evolve. And very soon, and I say in the future, say time, we will see a formidable OSP that goes after anybody devoid of political colors.
Alright, Miratiku and I can of course Ashanti Regional Communications member for the MPP. I know say I don't know
now then Oka Cecilia Dapa Sika Baby where you are the senior nursing trainees are suffering. Teachers trainees are suffering. What I say? Public service servants are suffering. All people in this country at the moment are suffering. Unemployment rate jump to 15%. Tina minim so oba beka nko beka no kore. Yenti ha na ye de call court ye ka say we release mamini sika de amano. Ye release mamini o freeze account ye release ye.
What's a freeze?
Oh please.
Yet say you release in the Hanamano.
You release Obiante.
I think
Obiante. Internet and Betina Casafoni wish in control. When you are the man of Kure and himself, you couldn't yena any of the abetra. Internet be Tinia, Sikabu Bear, Cecilia Dapa, no good them, a barry and a court at Tadiaman so on San Kudi. And one thing Ghanaians are talking about this government in the prior to 2016 election. Open Sema President Akufo-Addo can say, I'm going to use the ANAS principle to fight corruption. What do you say?
Yeah.
Or say, so we sell, we now open tam mama and then make President Akufo-Addo get into the hot private sector and go and work there. To see I mean you can say and I mean I'm come one more party penny for and say go for her no minica pre and so within 7 years in office who could share on properties of my yard. That is what Ghanaians are talking about. In terms of fighting corruption there, President Akufo-Addo has really failed the good people of this country. Until let's get that thing.
Is he the only one who has really failed the country, or other presidents who has also failed?
no ɛna meka kyerɛ sɛ ne nsɛm keka ɔkaeɛ to fight against corruption sɛ de me make reference and last principles wopɛ sɛ wonya sika deɛ a ɛnɛ me maaban but sisi a you just imagine corruption upon corruption a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ n'aban mu ɛno na yɛka ho asɛm nti no in terms of fighting corruption there I don't think say President Akufo-Addo aboa and global info analytics for year survey being 2022 almost 90% of Ghanaians have lost interest in President Akufo-Addo in fighting corruption. What I say? Into corruption there, many who say a communicator, a senior communicator like Mibra Daniel Eka once I think say they have really failed and they must accept that.
It's as simple as ABC.
Yes.
Well, I just want to say something again. When you be I love the fact that you guys are really comporting yourself.
Oh yeah, everyone say we have an NDC people talking about corruption. That's what.
You heard me asking, say, or more time, and His Excellency former President or no, corruption didn't die. Corruption was still there.
It was worse. Corruption was worse.
He took an action.
But so are you saying you say President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo won't take action?
Now action when corruption. What can also bring? Why clearing agent? Bring evidence.
Like seriously?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my Miss said a party uncle for the year in Saint Bibria Aiken. It was not too clear say a bicycle and
he has not been able to tell how he got the money.
Yes, but
meet you. Me tell me my Mrs. Sida Panka. Let me say. Anata no MP of Bantimau. What I say after 9 years when you aka Bantimau. Wabobra.
Yes.
But to get this huge amount of money, I be catch me say, we bra our shoemaker. You see, these are things that Ghanaians are talking about. When we share the source of the first
must she tell us the source of her money? Is it
one would the public domain?
Okay.
Say, lady be every year sika. And I'm crying sika no Mariana. Now no shit.
Okay.
And the most certain and say Ghanaians was saying, say, I then at this huge amount of money. What keeping it there? Our bank. And no man Ghana for it creates a perception. We say, as a second one fuck one purpose 1 point and then would you quote them? What do I say?
And answer if you can't go bank because I've been here with some family can't go bank.
Oh, say
you take all your money to the bank.
Oh yes.
Oh really?
Oh yes. So me pay be an maybe.
But you know
it that be my money
and through digitalization, who's got a bank? I said that for okay. You can easily, and I think these are some of the platforms I have former businesses are also. But NDC about MB and I say under NDC we saw a lot of government appointees talk about money, and none of them were even prosecuted. But the corruption was so pervasive; it was everywhere under NDC to the extent say even a sitting minister was even jailed under NDC because now corruption was already the Justice Luchika was it was as if it was a judgment in the case of it was as if a brigade was formed to create, loot and share. That was the frustration of a Supreme Court judge giving a judgment. Was it what happened was as if a brigade was formed to create, loot and share. As you are take and ranty be on my account, we be sika no much no makodi. That was how it was in under NDC. So you say NDC need corruption once more. That's it's just like a pot calling the kettle black. But obviously we'll give them a chance because in politics when you're in a position, you want to be in government by all means. But under MPP we are telling the people of this country, you catch a Ghana for say, and my mom will come up with him, and some Juma, a sentiment one mona and this for the Abra person more propaganda, or Montana for a mobile. Muncha Kwan would wear a sentiment more, or Mudra Mother do a catch a sentiment more, or Muncha no more dear welcome. You can't say a yinina, you can't say they're promising a native very in our mom. There's a woman MPP in the bar by moi, Kakeo Moon. A baby a near the Aquamba sentiment one more. That's what's constituency quality because no one say, oh, no votes. But under MPP, we have seen how you have decentralized road projects, you have decentralized education projects, and of course, school me me mama ta kuma high school ko honde ko school ahodo dan ahodo ayo and so NDC ba ba mo so mo e-blocks just for a political propaganda and the schools ahodo mo schools ahodo dan dudu ayesi wo mo ko amase ko girls dormitory ne classroom blocks ayesi wo hodo so kan nyabo ma is more than the e-blocks but NDC and the NDC they will make propaganda out of e-blocks as if they were doing educational projects but very so e be one amagana for unity I say MPP ba mu a dwumadi a yedi education healthcare agenda 111 very soon you best tell launch all those that are ready and they will see and it's going to only be abeka
okay
the year is
only professor from Koowaa in terms of it will take 30 years to bring Ghana's economy destroyed by the Akufo-Addo and Bawumia back to recovery. Okano Daily Post front page 11th October 2023. Professor from Koowaa Patrol Debeni
is bitter. The man is bitter.
But when somebody is bitter,
that be and that bitter sim. Nipano oye Debeni with Diana.
We all know.
Oye Debeni.
All know.
Oye MPP.
We all know.
Ojase. It is all kasa asemu ya. Me no na ye be defend MPP.
You can answer or
ba onu they be not take cabinet too. Let's be very honest to ourselves. It's corruption there. Corruption there. Ma faili. Corruption there ma faili. And we are there pap.
Me ba so kase bi.
Oh, they oh ba na be mani ku eja no hu na so ahwe nan bi.
when it na hu ne nan de bia ne di da.
Uni ma dia aha President Akufo-Addo in fighting corruption. One, nepotism.
No,
please. Mami kasa.
Okay.
Nepotism. One.
7 a.m.
Two. Ultimately, we shuffle the government.
Say the pani born in home dia. Does it need a reshuffle?
A billion more home.
It's if you know who is say.
And also the problem
when they are
your own parliamentary, your own parliamentary MPs or parliament can say sack the finance minister.
Why is it all about
the finance? The finance.
I didn't say finance minister. No, money. Family. If my family can perform, can do a certain job, and I am in government, means me finding them.
And let me say, it's not about that. But say, one Kasano, your own party MPs, and the cast sack that man because the way and how or do you seek a self aircon and one more party in any Munam Semba, the same President Akufo-Addo we need, and people are still suggesting say Adam we be cost of finance ministry who tina Amaru Abana and Ghana will decide 359 days who will lead this.
Wow, moving on 7 a.m. exactly, that's according to Miss Blue's Clock here live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Sam Darkos Initiative, Sam Darkos TV, and so you stream it live or until the honest or be subscribe to your channel no or like your page and or comment and or share now for first so any be a share. It's a topic I'm busy if you pay and let's say a minority in parliament almost a repetition again over the Abakoma a BOG say when are they resuming to office to take their resignation letter? I don't know why, but and also the best at
it is expected that the NDC in 2024 are going to create a lot of chaos in this country. People should take it from us.
You are not going to create any chaos.
Demonstrations upon demonstrations. Civil unrest and other things. We are expecting all these things, and I think
are you saying the MPP cannot do same thing?
No. The NDC were killed. The NDC the NDC they are just playing to the gallery.
Okay.
But the Ekato Ghana for say the new patriotic party are here. We will continue to tell the people of this country. Now you share NDC for say Oba Abayamu Fium Wacheno, or Madam Sidia, or Mudim Ghana for. So the NDC 4 years is here, and according to Wafasibia or Mobra, or Bompires and Wafabiuno Babidiade. And we've been NDC 4 years. They just don't have any message. They don't have any plan. So more plan. I said you won't confirm concrete policy farm, but you can't say NDC bar more or mobile man confirm concrete branch executives should get involved. These are not policies that are a bit my boy year free. I want you to him because if you are somebody saying you have breached your boy ye padwin pa be ba ye tima ko ye nim ama Ghana ni babunu bi a wo hihye adwuma obewunu se meduma a me hihye o kina aban so create enabling environment bi a be bo mema no dwumadi a medi no akọ anim ebe se bi yenko nkitin konko yebu any ade these are not policies that will take us to the next level everything ye hye Ghana for nyina say Dr. Mahu about me arguing of digitalizing this economy to make sure say you be create seaming like seamless environment bia so people you don't need to even move at your office and at your home you will create that employment and move ahead. And yes sir, demonstrations upon demonstrations, these are needless. It's a minority now go to the Bank of Ghana governor and they say on resign or resign now. Do they have that right to do that, to go and tell the Bank of Ghana? It's just for media attention. Name my man who say BBC and now BBC. But at the end of the day, say the speaker can about OSP. This is an action and an exercise in futility. Nothing will come out of it. But for media attention, and the more cancer. But it is because we are catching Ghana for. Say Dr. Babuyane de Nabano or Baba Bois. Am agenda 111 now. If you say you go to about 2024. Say they are 80 and I say I 90. Kakana can obey to as well. Drone system now and the airborne for snake bites and no. Ama nkwase phone bibiri na ene okọ afan place na ye baba ye zamsa na omunya people because ne nsu na area na intimi nkwa itimi di drone system e di questions ko ma ho no ye bemma sa policies and programs of this government ya three mam na ko anim no sa dance ne ye be ko so aka che Ghana fo na ye gidi ye say ye ka che Ghana fo a omo beto enya na asesem na NDC fo ba be ko month 2024 we have security intelligence about everything that the NDC will do. They will start demonstrations, they will start walks, they will start propaganda, they will do virtually everything.
Some baby.
Yeah, what dance here, yeah, Baba catching Ghana for. Anytime I go responding to the propaganda of the NDC, for NDC for you, you catch up and say, this is it. I want to have Yasina, Bitch Abu Yasina, I want to have Yasina. Again, I said, you want to send NDC Bob over here. I'm so move Baba, my uncle, you push your more Moses out work in the policy no and you have a better check down. Over the 24-hour economy. You be so questions about 24-hour economy. And when say any voluntary and your compulsory. Voluntary no compulsory, how would they go about it? As I now almost me for blueprint and I say be my Mama can we now the minister can the former minister can we now the MP can we just a policy that they don't have an idea about. And obviously we are telling them some more can. Some of the companies and restaurants and businesses in Ghana are already doing 24-hour economy. Just that it is not on a large scale. We are not saying that 24-hour economy policy is bad. But they should explain to us how the NDC will implement it.
Is the 24-hour economy program and as a project, His Excellency former President Saudi Babano, is it hunting you people?
It's not hurting us. It is possible. No, it's possible. No, it is possible. But just like election control.
All right.
When you come up with possible. No. Jamaica say a policy of a policy. A man might be either.
Okay.
And what goes to the one who say ubit me away.
Okay.
But the can say, what about first one would be economy? We 24 hours economy. Up till now, you're holding to your chest as if it's something that come on MPP your position. I say the free SHS beba. Yes, she said she won't say any bibia by chere say you bit my the free SHS aba. They can hold them under NDC himself for 8 years from 2008 up to 2016. And they started to hold the free SHS beba. NDC and me and the report are implemented that policy. It goes to show say omo ti man mire an can you say that policy was feasible. We are not saying the 24-hour economy is not feasible. But we are telling them say they don't know how to go about it. Because they will come and say they will do a one-time premium. Oh, come my health insurance, one-time premium. And the dad are gonna afford the G2 in 2008. Omunya Benya no be through Benya no catch say omutimi anye. It's the one for 24 hours economy ewi. And the two go for team be mo kan re fa ho. Na omo fam be G2 ni e fam be dad are gonna for. No me ama ya so dey e catch say e kwa be o be for so be. And be ba be mo e ka say be free SHS ya.
Yes, the same requirement.
You buy say the drone system baba you buy a car say the ambulance system baba you make ambulance all across Ghana and che bia be na wotwini na yenya asoyenche wa no junction and go and look at the ambulances that came how they were called to action Ninia, you do an ambulance base says John Moore, you for one opera, when I say to me, and your ambulance gone on and this walk by the view. Where ambulance I found to when I tell the hospital. I have shown walk up and say, look to in the emergency place. It's at least for the immediate me, the maker, they are addressing the people of this country. Titu was Santa Mai. And the point about money, what they make and say, and people quite a bit my. One of the problems we have as a country is the NDC. Omudi atroba beju to me, omubia, what almost as I am. Ye kanisa sentiment mo munam ka mo ahodo omunam toto ne edwa ahodo ka atosem akyerema ka ze Ghana ye din ebebe na elis wo ze Ghana ye din omo time nkane mpoka no point e ba ye nka mo genset si ase orma ewuru gogogogogogo ene e ba ye mo ya assure se MPP aba be ma mo nkane a it mean sure se mo genset si ase o ka mo di fuel agum. The difference between MPP and NDC is that who are on that so our baby more wouldn't say over the man can hear so simple and can go out wouldn't say actually 10 minutes and 15 minutes and can hear the bar it won't more come for genset and they see one move for food I don't know catch Ghana for yes ramo ye pa mo chow won't out to some of the NDC because more really the muso the muso do so the muso ni ato the muso ni abaya only plan the best yes I do say yes yes because you more money yes say NDC for them there money on dada for 8 years better abanya so they are told the deal man so my watch the year say NDC for na say same your mama same NDC and your mama for your mama na idea photo about over 1 million votes tiano the same your mama was a neighbor say your mama no ka say na kan no the same your mama no ka say only magician no same your mama e dey say ko for say ni pa na be di yesu bi you decide your mama said then why santamema was why ekitia you your mama said then why kuruma was why ekitia dikete anko na santamenya kete anko na santamenya yesre o munya botremaye eni o moya den yanka se nyumo amre na so hihye e de bu aka no ya san buaye no e do na
cry certain aka 1 minute
e hihye e de bu akwam da ko kuvo do ka se bi wo se nipa wu a eni ntimi nwane ni mankom na hihye e de bu akwam economy na sa so de bi mu die yedi bebu akwam eno na ye hu andanse a enne ehye ye pai de bu akwam ye tani ties no e mebi etwem nkania mpo nkania ye bi pensuo e de so ye papa emi amada so mo papa kwa eni so ka so mo fa maye then almost say for 2 million more
let's experience a little doom sort
light of radio say you even in the US they still have lights
modern
we can give you even in the US they have lights out sometimes you can google no it's as if it's not there we can google
we don't want to compare
so no we can't compare ourselves to the efficiency but about Ghana dia MPP about ni man kan e gina so say NDC now oduma bi e Ghana bia but 90% megawatts na mo dey account oh ye dey say kan 7 years no megawatts be buy e mo man kan ya that megawatts be buy le buy kan ya kuma wo so ko achi what else no na ma wo say nam movies amu yi nti nipa so
what I'm saying is say
megawatts saying
so about the megawatt
please megawatts saying no mo dey account
is no he's trying to just come down to the average Ghanaians understand and say okay fine depending on say me light edum so and the fact to say me light edum me nya no more problem me hwe megawatts e dey ba na megawatts e farmer at the end of the day almost almost power yes I experience it to say beside
and I say megawatts saying on so more the megawatts ni be can one we are no going to do so what you say
okay
it no share megawatts ye dey can one was 1000 yes 1025 national grid any dey account said the megawatts 1025 national grid any dey account and let's make it on record say and let President John Dramani Mahama pay say do some mra the predecessors no a ebe so abinemu no and we focus anchor energy sector but obeto ye no he admitted as a president say he is going to fix it in 2017 ni do so mu bi agba obi agana fo penifo eche kuma ebe kaya ebla de kufo efi abinaso you experiencing dim so leboa you experiencing dim so it is that time no man to for national grid bianca hon by John Dramani Mahama the nations builder buy obeto say edum so aba no or the national grid ne buy within 2017 we never experienced them so you musa MPP for say o mo betena so 7 years national grid did was say and o mo dey aka 1025 now yeah babe to none and do less than 500 megawatts square it is and no sector 24-hour economy ya church Ghana for mama Ghana for who say 24-hour economy ebeboa mo my then say ya transport union for abaya endorse the 24-hour economy and these are the sectors President John Dramani Mahama say Ghana for munya konya to abama na or the 24-hour economy na ebeboa ma Ghana afan baako agro processing
okay
baako SIA pharmaceutical industry baako SIA manufacturing industry baako SIA construction baako extractive industry like mining for no baako so sanitation and waste management baako so SIA leisure and hospitality industry baako so digital startups and business processes baako so financial services baako so SIA retail centers and modern markets baako so transportation services and what's about public service ni mo so baby a besa this 24-hour economy ni bi eso akoye large customer traffic such as ports and harbors what you say passport offices customs DVLA among others what you say it no something you say adia 24-hour economy ni baba be it is going to bring out sustainable jobs. Now it is all about jobs. Opi Omeka say 24-hour economy. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ntimi Nebia send panel by four. Okay. And we will continue to say that because we never phone will be said with member. I don't know kutia. Mentia say
the Crawford.
Who fear such we catch them say.
I'm not cutting short, but the Crawford will be when former president take us say 24
Mama sectors now you
people
in the boss about
some sectors are doing the 24-hour economy already. Some
sectors good. That is why we are saying that the incentives are they come on right. What you say Koowaa TV and then Lady Diane to say when say stations be or na media be or political programs or more than 3 times a day. So what you say
one. If you buy only 2.
Yes. But every incentives no bar. Koowaa TV.
You can go twice.
2 or 3. Because a better 3 shifts. So what you say? It's a can some. Maybe you say and Diane. Any patriarch will be the papa. Empress of Beckham. I am in Tinipanase. Only capre. I didn't see you. What should you say? You catch on so no. The moment and the critical moment now you free SHS. Let's start with a progressively free senior high school. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama free SHS. From Mama.
Well, was that free SHS?
Progressively free senior high school.
But it wasn't real. That one the less.
And then students for no more fees.
They were paying. Who said they were
paying? Lady. No more 2015, 2014, 15. No more
realizing everything they because the free SHS in the area them say is that something I understand.
Progressively free senior high school.
I understand where you're coming from. Yeah, I understand where you're coming from.
Progressively free senior high school. It was started by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Almost I say with their students. That will media for Mr.
As too popular.
Yes.
You know your boy. I don't know we're going to stay.
A buy, you will journalist for a solitary. Say, Nessa. You catch and say, yes, say for. That is why you started with the community. You can say, E-block.
Yes.
Community-based senior high schools.
Okay.
What you say?
Yeah.
And as Antimai, you catch and coupon deal with them say, Domahama, you may 10. Say the make out say it is a kamu pa na kamu so to aso eya ni kakra na muso mu ye mu v block na mu kika na ena ke ye progressive ya to the bruises say am no ka say ye interdicting headmasters ne head teachers because some of them are suffering
and when am I interdict
yes because na almost suffer me papa
but they pay them
me papa no ye beza e was sick. At that time, our brother was sex. At times, no more day. Taking charge was a Modrian anyway. But see, and this I be what? And bad in the Abada administration. So, no Musa Scasoma, open some year day. Only demand in bed, a better nkura so
Nti wo so mo jiji.
to the extent say drabin say me drabin I don't know why I drabin headmaster and yan friend yes say enko yes say enko fi omo envelope 100 cedis omo fa nse omo ntire fa nse ma emo si school mo what I say it shows clearly say free senior high school now NDC the two MPP are buying for sale. Can we let me say nobody is against the free senior high school. That is why I'm saying say the next NDC government led by John Dramani Mahama, inshallah 2025, we will improve the free senior high school.
The free senior high school so no we
will improve it.
How are you going to improve?
Improve it in a way say you will have a stakeholder meeting with education those who have a mind or like I say experience in the education sector. We will sit down with them and see the way forward. We will improve the free senior high school policy. It will be a job of catcher say NDC led by John Dramani Mahama Beba Abitra free senior high school is a lie. The next NDC government is going to what? Improve it. And we can say minority statement here or they are making yes I think on the 18th of November abai yebesa asem foforo afri omohona okay 3rd October 2023 2023 ne kai eko demo occupy block demo na could do mode yes summit let me watch my budget for now no minority leader led by Atofos and Asaba Bontia because say Musa the letter for Froko and I want to read something here.
Read a little quickly.
Or say in October 2023 the minority group marched to the central bank premises seeking the removal of Dr. Anderson from office. However, the attempt to present the petition was thwarted as the bank governor did not meet with the minority caucus. Honorable members of the minority caucus in parliament, backed by some civil society groups and hundreds of thousands of Ghanaians, peacefully marched to the premises of the Bank of Ghana head office to demand some resignation as governor to the central bank. We also demanded that the two deputy governors and the entire board of the Bank of Ghana resign from their posts. What I say? Before the protest march, we had made it abundantly clear to the people of Ghana that handing over our petition to you personally was also part of our demands. So we decided saying and that was the main agenda and let's make it very clear NDC less than 359 days and then you didn't talk about sent to power be free on my maba and NDC and the beba MPP oh you couldn't power to my mu you couldn't power the same President Akufo-Addo and Katri the Mensa
police force I
don't know investigation then akoso investigation they investigation akoso Lady Diane obeka say bia make kasama the party
but definitely no investigation because so do
NDC ni I can say you be making sure say the course you investigate
okay
what you say until say na ekoso no say you per se you din tuturaba o man you for tutura emma obi percent to traba paria and a free MPP by led by President Akufo-Addo and Mensa. Omo percent sentokosi dia and we are prepared. Yede boy and what to oba na dey sia o ka say ye kwase not omo ko board ye nipa ba akutu.
Some before so.
Omo kunu je ko board omo board to no dina ho. Omo poni to ten na nipa dina ho. And we are well prepared. About where I ever to 2024
to face
is the future of this country. Yet now obi fana adwene be deciding ma ono kwa fana adwene be deciding ma o Ghana voice of the people is the voice of God. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama 2025 Ghana for say we say here be.
All right.
No, all mechanism and could bet me yes we are battle. But say the voice of the people is the voice of God. Say Siano, and Nessa do say beto aba. President Akufo-Addo Ameyati Asante already he is going to hand over, and then he is joking because Emmanuel Dua Ghanaians will decide, and he will choose a leader like His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. No about that be dear man so and say they make an center code be free Ghana padia and then you the beba but omo the share yes you be share omo me that's it
medase 24 minutes after 7 a.m. You're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV, GH live on YouTube, Koowaa TV. Samdako initiative, Samdako Steven Solo. You stream live home take over say Oriba.
Yes, I see an missing now. Abraham about say face on the buy. I think say Nana Danko Nana Danko Kufado Crown and this for the buy.
But I didn't say that.
But
I was talking about the face.
This is
a piece on the castle.
So we follow the fee component of these students is nothing to write home about. The amount that the NDC the amount that the NDC was because what I said that the students will need power. Oh, that some of us watch it.
I'm there for you.
As a man, I can do the components is scanner na students for Tiam. Scan students in our SHS level.
Yeah.
It's nothing to write home about. It's something so small. Says a because of a lazy approach in helping the vulnerable. Because when it comes to boarding house, you try boarding house amount, you try school fees amount, better boarding house free, the free, school for better amount, better house dress amount, club. Virtually everything has been taken off. You have comprehensive free SHS. By another young Koowaa. You are far to extend say SRC news to extend some of our say Scanner ye Tiama our for the doors no do. But another young Koowaa can be. Was say be no ko baby ko hu akoda bia na onimade na to school ntini wo tifi. Eno na e for many money hu say you Ghana for bebre aho chenti eno che say o ma basa awo chenti eno che say eno ma basa enti no wo be wo education sector afokwa wo kasana mo ha wo eno che say ye Ghana followers of the NDC
allow him to talk and then if I have more time I'll
the vocal bize also for bro be no ko say ye bi adanse afọ free SHS one and now for what home you buy the free SHS you try bibia so buy no hia akwa say obi abeto say no hia ni so she you see the hia say akoda na twa no ko SHS abai fa no ka ya kakra bi na oboto ocho boss no man kitikiti ya oboto ma akwanda ko school eno na ma abai dia bre say so unya headmaster bia ebra wo swa wo de cho boss ni ko school I know about headmaster no was one penny mark or even for trouble some school I share before. I shall buy before. I said years before. Because we know what the boarding house, boarding house no, what the troubles na ko e na what trouble din so nko zuba. It's ever bag but what our headmaster ko na no, e so e din so nko zuo e duro esika e wa akoda no. Okay. What our headmaster na in the be a job e be there na say we know headmaster say do one if you go and listen to their stories. They were coming from poor backgrounds and then we headmaster who did 10,000 Ghana cedis a free for once and waja kwadana school and then we headmaster who the baller fee school what to be mama be the baller fee na we dey amawaya and then we headmaster who the registration fee and now we dey share before headmaster sin bi no mo dey share before e bi na for ko say gaben headmaster the envelope of my school ni so ofan kofi wo bo fa 100 cedis mission 100 cedis wo dey come awaya wo dey ma papa na mama headmaster wo abai le twa ka wo twa teachers ka e twa wo light bill twa water bill wo dey 100 cedis dey here oh and no more headmaster cedis bi ye share before and no mama focus the free teachers na ye no kwa no e dey free sir because sky ye twa ne doors sky wo twa ne na abai na eje headmaster cedis bi a omo dey adum bone
omo jigu omotom
jigu omo botom can say I and a ball and a school no and then your friend of whom you trace kind of mobile football and say headmaster who can say no. They say no, you are not innovative enough. Minya and don't put a tone for one man. You won't go for a motor rubber ball omuto rubber plastics ni bi eto a omuto eje master can't you teach your children another kodane e brown can't you teach them how to segregate their bola who didn't show me say house 1 house 2 house 3 house 4 what be we say o dumping site rubber na say sachet rubber da hono the house master the house prefect you will be in trouble say be we segregate bola na nkampo school no beton bola no na odi akwa kosisa bola na no ye fanya hwe no even the bola na say fanya hwe no they show say school be na agric ho can't you use that as manure to fertilize the soil that the agric department is using? It's the investors. When I think about some of the way they are managing their schools, I'm like, can't you find ways to utilize bola than to say major bola field mark or to bola? One bola is cash. And the middle one in Chelsea, there's a headmaster now wooden is saying, how would you bola fee? Would you registration fee? As a virtually everything, you are taking money from our phone. There's our phone because you free SHS it be a 4,500 and 5,000. And you know the break because me this particular last month na mo bono region na me campaign ma me be our person and I saw poverty and like minim real face wo hia
tumusa ho kire
omo na matra kuma sa tran kan ya tell say we baby I don't minim say bi o and you mo bi won ma you see poverty face to face. And when you have not buy into face to face with the here, you can't answer will be a woman. Jesus, I yoke your uncle, I didn't want more sort of a fool or tear. This is for me a bonny to a coda, there's no school do like booby, what we will find also a year for the year. And yes, I was a buchiche. Oh, yo, I'm a frontier. Now, Ghana is in a board or sentiment at the Bogan and Yaombra. In a cashew or blue in your Bogan and Yaombra. That's a Ghana in your scan is a free as a chesa. Adentina yen nyanuma omo kumase no another one kwase we bia ahoche wo yen timi first high school no ankoda no school because we share akoda you see when somebody has nothing to lose the person becomes a danger or a weapon in a greedy man's hand.
Okay,
so akoda no what one say we so what no we need to lose her he becomes a weapon emma obi a we ni brefo enunti no obo mu obi a we ni brefo obo akoda no mo kokro no bo. But I could go school. I will say, "Ubeti me maybe aye, but be teacher, but be nurse. I'm going to bush free him." And when another don't go for to say, "Ubano never go SS free." No go training college. Was I man alawa? Na alawa no tima bo na alawa no teacher. It video mo ka teacher. Me ya yes for mo mo mza alawa no. Eche na so ba. Na say ya data mo ba me ko baby. Nurses the teachers this year come kaza alawa na ba. One go for Dr. Mamudo, yeah. And this are baby or buy us one training name to the presidency, one tria. John Domani Mahama just in Pizu Casa, and ma a moon say, upon the Yagin Pabiama Homo, and we are to Betia and this. They are now MPP are buying Esa Quadano to BC. You better pass questions, Amano. You better one man out in water. Whatever SHS, you SHS no free. You very free. I saw on training college and I say university, or university or the Ghana card loan. Or training college, a man insurance, a man alawa. I'm on the we are about Chadi, and the party will Chadi will Accra. With many opportunity, culturalism, some Sakwa, which you in bush of him. But the LVPD Ghana by no. Say, and Kodano, you should school, to be Nipa. I'm one of the society and society we really want to us where you can we don't control them so called foreign exchange and my come and be free him and only to say MPD buy Ghana for it's moment NDC for 12 months and then do workers Ghana and the NDC never for for pensu that's one pump ọmọ ọmọ nya kwadi for tell for per light e da pom mo ntade eni si for fan kanya mom
okay
na say ne ngani esi so na mo ye waduma MPP for ka che wo say ta ba we
NDC
MPP ye ka che wo say MPP ko ne betima ye ko me do ta kan tan bia ko no kesi na eta wo say MPP ko ne betima ye wo den say ye be die 2024 ye be ka che Ghana for say between light and darkness the difference between MPP and this no between light and darkness who to so darkness ah who na babo bo mu ati are who to so MPP who to so kanea nkania no benya de yawo adwuma mo me fa kwadwo ma metra konya so ma wudie bi mba because wudie ni say wudie no me no usie no ye be sra santeman ye ni MPP fruma okay ahanu mo na ndc for de o matro no wata se no bi ko ya mo ye nyina brane ye nyia dance ye emfa MPP ho na MPP nko a ele betima ye minim se wonim sa dance ye no na ebre no so a obeto aba ma MPP because wo pese Ghana ko nanim
no more rebuttal from Miratico but I'm going to give you the opportunity so
Daniel himself ote ni sister station omu party of station on or cassette no me show the way see kasa na so o hwe no untumi TV had say no mo kan to ho de onim so wo flow sa but onim say higher station NDC ni MPP na wo so I mean kan ko nchiro wo hwe ensam nyina wo kan nyina na yemi ehunu say nursing training no alawa no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Momoti says no. Or 3 to 4, 5 years. That is why they are calling him a visionary leader.
Okay.
Intino so kasa wo twa lawana sa lawano. Mubeje but mubewie mubetina fi. Adentina sa lawana mi twa mamono. Menya den. Me Francis hospitals and farm. So what you say? Polyclinics and farm. Na se mu wia mako akoye adwuma dan se metwa lawan but who ye nursing training student
okay
you can go for a student loan say the universities for ni become
okay
and na mutu futuro you can say students yi say oh MPP for you would di for omum pese mu ye die beba recently building Ghana tour His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ekobuno that was in Kranza say papa mfie mienu nie ye ntwe ye kada nsema o katre ye no emo mu bunkotodwe epa is as meboa
sa no mo kan o mo so mpanacho na papa nsema o kan ye no afa ne ehunu de yetie eti wo betra asa wuti wuntumi TV so awu kasa na me pacho na me pacho o se sa na area ye ta hun de yo si ye se ho no yo station eti o mu kwotena ho a o mu kasa de wi awu ne ye pacho ha de ne pacho ye ka fact o se wo kasa bia me pacho
ye ka fact ha ne de ye ka fact obi anim se ye ni akuku dam hwe ba ye ka fact eti o pe o mampani a imprempren obetimi de Ghana adru boss asas e ma men ka bibi nkyerɛw se onyankopɔn pese ode ɔman hyɛ wɔn sa ɔma onimdie ni nyansa ayahwɛ King Solomon ebra awurade yɛ na adwen sɛ ɔde Israel ahenie ɛbɛsɛ ɔhene Solomon sa no ɔma ne hu nimdie ne den ɛne nyansa obetimi de ayɛ den abu Israel ama Israel ayɛ krabɛhwɛ emprempren de obia ote Ghana mamha ebedi adanse say 24-hour economy and the next president of the Republic of Ghana John Dramani Mahama ono na ni kasam Ghana ni bia wote nyankopon ne beka say papa wei ena onyankopon ni nimdie ni nyansa ama ne say 2025 ombeboa ema Ghana mfa ne ntuma pamfa ena we nursing training student and a teacher training student afashe wa adwunim say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eba ebetina benwa so a wa wuti fia wunya adwuma anye no wo ba aba besisi hospitals aba besisi schools adan and it is on record infrastructure there and now feel ya beka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ase obia edanenim dada oba beboa ama unemployment a ewo man ni mu no ayede akofom enti ye besere Ghana fo omo yeso omo si any policy say see a Dr. Mamudu Bawumia and a flag bearer they be I have an idea and then say bring it on board.
So he said he doesn't bring his ideas on board.
What be a flag bearer say see a untimi emfa idea man they be that day because they say Choba be operated to him fan like Kumasi in a Choba operated 24/7. Milady Diane
was specifies
Nantupa, Chelepa, him papa, and the world
and I make us say specifically one specifies say oh Abia, you know, a local chobas or something of that, so probably the restaurants because Oko a big hotel be now Kakwada and I do pay Janet.
You cut chobas one car
and I make
no yes specific
it's choba I say chobas the local chobas and choba you na you didn't say chobas
sana local into no can say a choba one car restaurant so what I say it's not just so me who beer operate 24/7 and said the American Ghana phone na from one Junabi.
Okay.
It Diane. Ye 90 FM so.
Yeah.
Last week me call FM 5 as a 6 kra.
I know.
Just imagine say omo fra atiefo fra the anger omo de kasano to the extent say na say mo agasa mo media for bi ko kedetia. Eko ka say omo ye survey bi ahwe nipo mbetop omo say se baumia kwa kofa omampani akufo ado se ni rani minta obelusu so wahwe so what repairers na wo a kiditi
but they have the right to speak their mind.
Say higher World Bank wo so World Bank no so no a personality like Alan
Samoso ya munye bi wom
yes a personality like Alan Kodoche Mantia omampani akufo ado ka say oh se me free ha wo na wo beba no say nipa no ya boni buga ma say wate ne ho wo be ka che say high of World Bank asantima mu mi osu ani ansa na MPP fo bu ye kwase ate no omo se da na asantima eden no maye eden pa na say o maye ama asantima ya de bia na high mu World Bank mo ye mu World Bank no na ka mu ma mpuntuo mu ma ahoto abaha alantamante ko ya bu ne kwase ya ene mini umi enu a ye tifia ene die be dikura people cannot afford 2 meals square a day under this government.
Things are difficult.
Things are very difficult. And Ghanaians have decided, as Antimantua, your mother said, I feel dear. Inshallah, your mama and a better man. That means him say, next year by this time, dear. Oh, Nabaumia, Alfred John Dramani Mahama, the next person, congratulating is a Bema Moni Juma.
So that's all you think?
Oh, yes, a Bebamuso, a Bebamusoma Yabetan Haya, Mawaka, a Fibiba, a face Samri, who can Sadi and I see. It's in Ghana phone in a na Lady Diane, ye Babe Kuyon. I did be Koso. I did be Koso, a war, a furnishing. Was some true constituency.
Okay.
I trust say your address in here. Nipa bi mo ayo madwene say nipa bi ya de papa. Ye be ye adwene say ye be botro politics. Le dan ye nim say e sika ene de ye. Anameboa. You have to get the logistics out the me. Intinu ni sa logistics na emwa. Ye ndap mine ase. Wa boa bosomtwe ebra me di mani hu mine de. Me de refer Paul Amante. Osine dikafo Honorable Ibrahim Asante Bodu eduma hyehyɛ papa ne ye ne odo ene ahofama oye bua bosomtwe constituency osaye chairman ewo UK Leicester City.
Okay.
Oye chairman wasa operate a foundation ewo bosomtwe constituency si aso no mo de abrem say communication officer wo atie bisa Mr. Ibrahim Sreso.
Oh, okay.
So Bosomtwe constituency were free musisia. Enti chairman Amos Yakubu any secretary Erikosei Koowaa Memamu Yako Rahim. So I think say no permanent employee. We say me call deputy communication officer. Bosomtwe constituency.
I see.
20 that was last year. 2022 you share internal contest national.
Okay.
But manamia win but omunina still do ne ahofama atia bisa chairman Amos Yakubu Modema me Eric Modema me no but omo kwan e free Ophelia etu adija kwan no kwan nye me papa kwa fi wo he kwa oh yes so woni kwan na me beza me papa fi wo sa kwan no so nye kwa ye besire
omode omodwiso
yes
I think they were doing filling the last time before no more filling
yes
and I stand to be corrected say bi omoguso around we are make kwa so
intine kwan nye nti ye besire Kofido any fencing chama
I know said
to many fencing Simon or Semensa kwan nye busum twa kwan de doso but e ho de
very terrible
the jane we di omo no munye bibi mom medase
let's you got bibi obi
oh
thank you. We are so sweet. Of course, Brenna so may be my lines more out to waiting me at 44 minutes after 7 a.m. Give me a call 0202-6684-6102 0202-6684-61 Frame na yonko DTT uno badaroma also be quite chapa we talk a lot. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Me Mr. Kasami Hona Yonko. Hello. Hello, good morning. Oh. I sit down come out with D4 A4 bus.
Na NPP for the only way the Patadia the mark na maintenance Ghana for because kachi dey look at you year then one that was done it come down to do by you from a job Africa and you got to do the man that at me the some money again I can possibly create you can
yes, so yet I say bye bye, jam phone him up now 46 minutes after 7 a.m. Call me now, 0202-6684-61 0202-6684-61. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, where?
No, sir.
Now, we are doing to an pay.
That's it. If you are but that's far. And before what that I never or that I am going to I say, what that I am going to make cathedral man or mercy. And what? What can I do, sir? No, sir, say, yeah, only for a day. A more power back by. The more power by the quiet now, a batting or endless lady, nothing in the Arab. It's a Koowaa. Where the case only for your family see block Koowaa. Everybody lesson training here and I want to see only for the things say who is lesson training now. What now? We go I can have it in Kaya okay, only lesson training I can't go. I was not young, you know, you have a mama. No, I'm reading class on piano. I say I'm more a monkey. And a girl of a monkey out there. Yes, for most of that dog, who got that armor. Was so in the wet here. That's so true, yeah. You never train now. This is a I'm a guy. I don't know what you want. phone kind of question every photo me and yatom. When that hour, no near ya. But come on, MPP for. I don't know bye.
Bye. Also be to me after 0202668461 0202668461. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Great. To me no pay. Line to call Kafra. Number say you free. When I'm so feeling because wait. I don't want to pay. All right. All right, thank you so very much. Of course, I can see my kono pepe na me sorry. You made it so. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Morning.
But your dini baby, I will frame me if free.
Yes,
you are not ready to come over there.
Madam, you are meeting my person to me. You know,
ni mocha wajin obo asituka and afrifi me kromni we dey IBB Basila no that's if you so much welcome straight away aka 7 minutes now. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
It's say
I
papa domain me hoye pacho we didn't baby afraid me free.
That's a trophy ball that we Joseph.
Joseph in pacho 81 no pay.
mommy, like, I need the Amukaya, not what am I? Because if NDP, any NPP, Omina, Kadeba Kuna, no more, Eshe. And you know, Izano, Nanabo, not the last year, Nina will be here. Only dear, I know, I cannot let the mama. Everything I could have done, one time, now she will be a man. Man, can you hear? And I eat kiss all the way. One of them, my so the last year, away. You got the mama. Fine, I want to do because Kukomotino, a bar, one time in your deal. It will be open away. It will not be to me, everything after 19 China. Then you should be a bar, everything that church or somewhere. Because I feel there. Next year, so they can know the community, not by the Latino man from the family. Now, they are covered the last year of their manner. It is open over there. It is no ancient income. And maybe I have to be on this year. I know cry, Madame After.
Meso, Medase, Yamisha. Also, waiting me about Medi, so I can see 6 more minutes for me to go. So, call me and let's go. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. All right. Went to me as now commodity for you and for bar. Something quickly. What to say? I have a call on the line. Hello.
Good morning, madam.
Now, what to say?
Good morning.
My Joe, now, where you day?
Now, swear.
Yamiatom, Miss Mehoye, Yonko.
And why I get in Yamin Town.
I mean, Castle. That's
When the actually no criminal. When you took a coffee that I have Kawamagana when you're son Kahame. You have a papa.
Yes.
Now, some of Bayana were kind. And then when you're gone.
okay.
I would have come to Madam. Maybe you no better Mommy.
My just a meets your papa.
Well, we are so look at
Yeah.
look at pop. In another day, we gonna come out. We sell, we try money, and buy everybody. Why done? You can do short like a PVC. The short like a PVC. Then she said, and yet I put PVC and put it in.
That's it. I'm sure. I can't see my and 9. If I last call and I repair. Yeah. Last call and run.
Hello, good morning.
Now, what to say? Nyako patum pachome ho yinti wano pe.
Matera na moyera na moyera.
Pachomo wano. Mbacho de yonko wodi amete won kapa yonko ya mama mo ne so kakra ye ka e ya mama
yo me bo amate ne to kama mo ya ma yanti me bo ndi ni na ba to pa na mi shira me pa anti yo le to banama dem to mana manama ni na ba so pa
so ya ka so free me fa ko ye biem akasima me ensa me the studio because definitely omo bibi kan sana Jacob me rati ku ye ko
yako ide na yebako na asanteman titimo yakoso na yakasa kire mbabu ya maame no se emre die enimi kofo bebere beba mo no ma betwa atro akase ne ade gidi ye se enwoma ya ma asanteman ene Ghana ma nyina mo nimisem fie se chese dia ba ne ama ya maame no ko adwum kakra anka emre ya duri nka bebere na akomu ena mte wo ko twa school fees azana ko twa sa prospectus nsem ene yi nyina ya firi ho no mo mbabu nzo ene odachi is secured because we say ababi won mo ode Ghana ska bo mo bra say be o china very independent na ba be sum Ghana mai we ni aban am gidi yi say obana ko no na oto abama no e be boa ama yesi break 8 na wonwie bi so benya saa faso yi so wa anya saa de no na wo de abro na am say wo free wo ko free sessions na wie na de abro tu abetia NPP abanya ye kire ni say aban bi ba wo so wo no de oba be review ai nim say review ni cancellation saa aban no ni abanya wonnim adwempo wo ne tirim wa hwe ya na wo ma wonwie bi faso na wo nya no wo no so nya bema abenedi e ba beto ma me ne wo papa so wo no wo tani ma me ne papa ne de wo no na enum obusuafo enu nwia no ma ntamfo nyina yo ma me no papa yempa aban a obaye hyehyɛ ye bɛboa ama Ghana akɔnkan nya aban a oba onim bi obaye na gisa oditumi ni ma na ansa na waye de wo ye ya me nka mo ho sɛ mo gi no kora bi makoso mato aba ma MPP da mo
odi ya ko ya think say mestre Ghana fo o bi we tu no tin say ma Ghana fo ka ultimu say oto abafo a o tin say fo wo so na menim say Ghana fo mafa mo adwena wi a mo be share his excellency John Dramani Mahama and Munyam December 7 said the Mekayan aka 359 days to election 2024 Omampenya John Dramani Mahama say oba free SHS na aye bibi e wo ho na asesi a enkura eko school a no mu yam hyehye omo no oba he is going to improve it. Okay, is going to improve the free senior high school said the be bit medina brane what you say ama Ghana for awofo a mutie mi no mu atom no and 24-hour economy ni said ye kan de bia ebebo hu daru is all about jobs adwuma sustainable jobs a ebeba ama krono nioma ensem fata emwa mabunu eye no enu ebebrase ama Ghana fa no tuma pafra chairman adi ya chief palace esreso chairman osi kwasi ada membesra mo ewo mo meeting ase meba ho aba bechem esreso chief palace esreso branch executives fu nyina michiro bibia me do bibia ase
abusia for do bibia ase me di media ni ya pon ochna ebeba
Continue nyabetu susura
adetina wususa aba ani jesem ni o odifo ba kopa awurade ayi no ama ya wiewemre mu ni odifo Samson Kwaku ye